Time to get a lowdown of what the global markets have done in last evening's trading session, where we take a look at what the US markets were up to. Stock futures were flat last evening, with Wall Street on the verge of new record highs. The calm moves on the futures come after a Wednesday trading session that saw an S&P 500 set an intraday record high on Wednesday. The broad market index finished the day with a gain of 0.6%, just below its record closing high for a third straight winning session. Nasdaq and Dow also rose on Wednesday, finishing up roughly 1.3% and 0.3% respectively. Both of those averages are within striking distance of their new highs as well. The stock market is getting a boost from excitement about potential tax cuts and deregulation under President Donald Trump, as well as signs of resilient economic growth, and the fourth quarter earnings season is also off to a strong start. Netflix has climbed more than 9% in yesterday's trading session. Initial jobless claims on the data front is due today before the opening bell, followed by the Kansas City manufacturing data later in the day. But while that was on US equities, Shreyansi, take us through what commodities were up to.
Well, absolutely. Firstly, when you take a look at oil prices, a tad bit lower is what you're looking at in terms of Brent and WTI. So you did have, in terms of factors that are in focus, you have Trump's commentary coming in on proposed tariffs that could be affecting global economic growth as well as demand for energy. So when you take a look at Brent, then 0.4% lower, there about $79 a barrel is the level that you're looking at. And even when you take a look at US WTI, that is the one that also lost just about 40 cents, 0.5% lower. $75 a barrel is the kind of level that you're looking at as far as US WTI then is concerned, and that puts Brent down for a fifth day in a row for the first time since September. Even when you look at WTI, then down for a fourth day in a row for the first time since November, then that is the active contract coming in for WTI then. But when you take a look at Trump and the commentary coming in fact, from his administration, they're discussing imposing a 10% tariff on goods imported from China on Feb 1st. That kind of commentary is going to be in focus going forward as well. Anything he says about tariffs is going to be something that the oil markets are going to be keeping an eye on.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.